Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to craft a reinforced deep slate in Minecraft. For that, we just need to take some deep slate, just a usual deep slate, and we need bone blocks. Take bone blocks and deep slate, and we put them in crafting table like that, 3 by 3. And as you can see, I've just crafted 3 reinforced deep slate. But you might ask, guys, how did I actually do that? Because you cannot craft a reinforced deep slate in vanilla Minecraft. The thing is, I'm using a data pack for this. You can download this data pack in my Telegram channel. You can use it on any version. I gave you the link in the description to this post, and you just click download data pack and you save it in any folder you want, and after that you install it to Minecraft. To install data pack to your existing world, guys, you just need to select your world and click edit. Here we need to open world folder, and the folder is opened. Yeah, and here we can see data packs folder. We need to open this folder, and after that we just need to drag and drop this file that you just saved on your PC. We moved that file to the to the folder, and after that, yeah, that's it basically. The data pack is successfully installed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.